meet at Barclay Roadhouse last night because we were running out of time. It got dark, so we just pulled in there, fueled up, and then headed off this morning. We're on the stretch from Tennant Creek at the moment, heading through to Mount Isa Way, so I'll be crossing the border from Territory into Queensland shortly. This road still got 130k speed limit, but it's that windy we're basically sitting on 100 or 105. It's that much of a headwind we're driving into at the moment, and yeah, we're getting up around the 25 litres, so we backed it off a bit, stuck to there. Barclay Roadhouse, it's quite a nice place when you're filling up. It's got a restaurant there. It's had a bit of live music last night, so that was pretty cool as well. The camping ground's a bit average. Showers and all toilets and that sort of thing, not too bad. Alright for out here, I suppose. Very, very windy place though, so don't expect to be putting awnings out and that sort of thing unless you're really strapped down. We've woken up today, it's very overcast. We've had a bit of a sleep and got showered up and got on the road, so we plan to get to this other place, Cooma Wheeler or something like that. We'll get there and fuel up again probably. And we're going to try and sort a sub tank out just so we can do a bit longer expedition out the Cape.
What are you doing there, Josh?
This is going to be our sub tank. We've got 2 water tanks from BCF, and then went to
Bunnings
in Mount Isa and bought a heap of fittings and a couple of ratchet straps. So we've got 2 60-litre tanks together. This is going to be our breather hose. It's just going to be a rough job just to hold fuel for us. It's going to go underneath where the spare tyre normally goes because there's a big gap there.
How's that going for you?
It's making me work for it. Who knows if it's going to work? Should do. Let's get a little pump tomorrow from Auto Pro or Repco or something. Some fuel on and hopefully it doesn't leak because we'll be at the servo trying to fill it. And we'll see if it's good or not.
See if it works.
Hopefully it does. More clamps, please. They didn't have much in the Bunnings there. It was the smallest Bunnings I've ever seen.
Oh no, it was tiny. What's it like under there?
Sub-tank install. We might need some more hardcore straps.
They look pretty average, don't they?
I'm just picturing like bolt corrugations on the Cape Road. Trying to rub through these.
Yeah. Definitely need spare ones.
Yeah, I might buy some good ones. A bit of rubber or something wouldn't have gone astray, but you gotta work with what you got.
Yeah, that's it.
So this should, well, it might work. We'll see how we go.
Definitely.
If it fails, it fails. But
Yeah. At least we gave it a shot.
you want to get on that track, so yeah, we'll see.
See how this goes and see where we can get to.
Oh. Yep. Well, should be a good thing. Don't recommend doing this alone. And if you got bad comments, keep them to yourself because I don't really care. But this is my way of doing what you got to do to go where you want to go. In the short time that we had trying to prep this car for the trip.
Yes.
So, yeah, this is happening.